This is video C23. We're going to construct a right trapezoid with base 1, base 2, and the height provided. So step 1, I'll just put the, I like to put the longer base on the bottom. So we'll start with that. So just anywhere on the bottom here, we'll make a longer base. Make sure it's longer than needed. Then we will measure the space. And we will transfer that over to here. So I now have base 1 copied. What I need to do is construct a perpendicular. So what I'll do is I'll extend, force this to be, and I'll do the perpendicular bisector. So now I will extend in the other direction. And we can do the perpendicular bisector trick again. So what I'm going to do is force this to be the midpoint of a segment. So I'll just go arch here, arc there. And then from each of these endpoints, go more than halfway. Arc there, arc there. I now have my 2 points. I'm good to go. I'm living on the edge there, but it's okay. So I now know that that's a right angle. I want to know how high up to go. I'm going to go the height up. So I know that's a vertex point, that's a vertex point, and that's a vertex point. You want to make sure you don't get confused with all these points and arcs. Now what I want to do is have this go parallel. Again, what I can do is, if I'm perpendicular here, I know I'll be parallel. There's a theorem in geometry that states that. So I'm going to do another perpendicular bisector thing. So I'm going to force this to be the midpoint. I'll just use the same distance. I already got it set. So now, this segment here, you're the midpoint. So I'll just go more than halfway. I'll arc it from here. I'll arc it from here. And now this is the perpendicular bisector. It's going sideways. Now this base, so just so you know, this is base 1. This is the height. This is base 2. Base 2 is that length. And I'm done. I've got all 4 vertex points. I'll just connect them in green so it stands out a little bit better. And there you have it. A right trapezoid constructed from base 1, base 2, and a given height.